Oh, it's great. Thank you.
You gonna give Sam another hug, honey?
Can you sit by Sam and give him a hug again? You want to sit there? Okay. Sam, can you move over a little bit? Or can you sit there? That's cute. Are you videoing?
Yeah, it's a video, but having a hard time getting around him.
You gonna pick him up? He's kind of heavy. Good luck.
No.
You want me to pick him up?
Yes.
He's too heavy for me. I need help. I need you to do it.